If you purchase iPhone 16 series or 16 Pro Max and you are recording video inside the light and sometimes video are blinking or flickering on your video, so how to stop this one or how to fix? It's very simple tips and tricks. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So now let's start as a mobile screen.
हर हर महादेव, जय श्री कृष्ण। ये संग्राम जी का नया फोन है और मैं बोल रहा हूँ।
So as a demonstration point of view, look at this video. Outside area is a dark and I on full light, the video is blinking. So how to stop this one? It's very simple process. So it's very simple. First of all, you need to enter the setting and then search here the camera. Inside the camera, you just simply click here record video, and inside the video recording here show PAL format is available. You always enable this format, and if you want remove this light blinking feature, so you select here enable this one, and after that 4K at 100 frame per second PLA, and here 4K at 25 frame per second PAL if light is blinking. And after that go back, open the camera, and boom, light blinking is a stop. Using these tips and tricks, you can avoid light blinking problem in your iPhone, no matter which types of iPhone you are using. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video, and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.